good companies back up their products. Just received a replacement burr on my set here that I had problems with. Contacted Benchmark Braces about the situation. They looked into it and turned out to be their product. Had an issue, manufacturer defect, stuff happens, no one's perfect. There's your replacement one right there. Just like that. So that's what makes a huge difference, is when a company backs up the product. So big thanks to Benchmark Braces for doing that. Especially where there's not many companies backing up. Then they also sent me a little sticker and another thing you wipe. So good job, Benchmark Braces.